On June 29 to 30, 2024 at the Tinalac Second Governor's Cup Rapid Chess Tournament on July 6 to 7, 2024 held at Goral City, South Cotabato. We also would like to commend the coach, Jerry G. Hayoma of Pulumulok Central Elementary School and Baltazar for an cash incentive from our sports department. We have Sir Sulia here, our sports coordinator. They will be receiving 20,000 pesos as our cash incentive. For the officiating officials and our athletes. Officiating official, Pablo L. Yulatic Jr. We also have our Constantino, officiating official. To receive 20,000 pesos, our athlete in tennis, Rafael Joaquin Duay. Yan, our player during the Palarong Pambansa, 2024. The officiating official, Raymond Rusty S. Jaime. Delphine. Our Palarong Pambansa athlete in wrestling, Jennifer Z. Bukog Jr. Palarong Pambansa athlete wrestling, Janela Rica. Our Palarong Pambansa coach in chess, Melissa Jane Luaton. Palarong Pambansa athlete in chess, Florence P. Hagolino. Palarong Pambansa athlete in swimming, Dress Sonny F. Jaime. Palarong Pambansa athlete in Pencak Silat, Kea Juana D. Kabugatan. Palarong Pambansa athlete in table tennis, Machiko Bautista. Palarong Pambansa athlete in swimming, Dos Dominic Jaime. Palarong Pambansa athlete in swimming, Chris Anthony Baculna. Palarong Pambansa athlete in swimming, Jeric Mark Carino. And Levi B. Butihin. Once again, we would like to request our Vice Mayor Melchor Hutar, our Administrator Jerry Paredes Jr., and our 3,000 pesos cash assistance to our Palarong Pambansa athletes. Mga pinagpila kasi na isobra. Alright, ayan o, may this you guys to do better in the next Palarong Pambansa journey. Alright, no? Palapakan natin mga kaibigan, ay nabili ko basta-basta mag-qualify sa Palarong Pambansa. And indeed, no? Very proud tayo na sila po ay Batang Pulumulok at Tatak Pulumulok. Once again, our Palarong Pambansa atleta! Ayun!
Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Nakakataba ng puso at nakaka-inspire. No? So this is a testament that through your hard work, dedication, you were able to achieve what you aspire for. So once again, congratulations and God bless.
This will not take long. Because I understand the eagerness of our work. Spend a little time on the big stack 45 minutes recognizing different personalities. At pasensyahan nyo na yun. Because that is the price you have to pay as public servant. Kasama na yan sa sakripisyo na ibigay natin. We wanted to show to them na muna kaklase ang concern some people sa Pulumulok munisipyo. Is a manifestation of ano na ang naabot sa panwasang Pulumulok. in as far as probably parenting is concerned, in as far as providing a responsible citizen sa Pulumunog, South Cotabato. So, congratulations sa inyo. Doon nakatapos na kamo. This is just simply a start of your journey. Your position now does not guarantee anything. Towards sabihin nilang progress na gusto natin mabot. Pero wala pa kamo visa. Your visa is in your hand. Para maging valid ang inyong passport. Sa ibang kabataan ko, player din ako. Salamat sa effort sa mga player na naghimos na wala pong gulong. So, yan ang takbo ng istorya na yan. So, ganun yun, going back sa my experience, and probably may mga challenges, ups and downs, sa inyong life onwards towards development. Sabi nga ng isang Tindog karon will be very proud that you are product of Pulumunog, South Cotabato. Hindi na ninyo obligasyon kung bayaran siya, but what is in you, kung paano ako pinadako, is dependent kung paano ninyo sila tanawin. Similarly, kami to present something valuable to the people of Pulumunog. An instance, hindi na tayo mag-una-una mag-violate ng regulation. I'm not pointing to anybody. Of course, I know. Sinasabi ko yun for the purpose na mahibala na itong tanan that as public servant, mayroon tayong specific obligation of ensuring na tama ang atong limon. We apply the rule of law. Ako gani ang harap kita. Come August ngayon, ang sinasabi nila, ito na yung start ng ating activity. Marami na kaming meeting na ginawa tungkol sa ating festival ng ating mga constituents. May kanya-kanya na silang effort na ginawa, though the result remains to be changed, to be seen. Para sa inyo na kanang guidelines the provisioning out. Para sa inyo na kanawan nyo kung tama ang ilang kinahimo and help us evaluate the performance of these people.
Our Municipal Mayor, Mayor Bernie Jojo Alenta.
Thank you, Mon. Sa atong mabuot ka, very supportive na Vice Mayor Victor Hutar. Of course, ang atong very energetic and well-passioned to serve people of Pulumunog, our very own Administrator, Sir Jerry Marientos. Ang damang fan ni Sir Jerry. Of course, sa atong mga department heads, uniform, I would like to extend my congratulations to our new installed fire head, Sir Garnet Noel Malili. Nag-aasal gini, no? So, sa tanan-tanan, sa liwat ko yung nagagit. Actually, lubog na akong message this morning is because well said naman ng ano ni admin, no? Sa atong incoming founding anniversary at the same time Flowlock Festival. I would like to congratulate our Pataba scholars at Paliw Taas Kamot. There are some na kung during our administration, on top sa previous and Pataba Scholarship Program, no, ang sa edukasyon. That's why, through the effort of our 19th Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Hutar, and the chairwoman sa Committee on Education, Councilor Guy Orbisido, na nahimo ang ordinance nga tupad scholarship program. High school, ang atong college and postgraduate. Hopefully, if budget allows, i-plaster na to by next year, madugangan na to another 5 million pesos from 15 to 20 million pesos kung makaya sa budget. Pero basta madugang-dugang nagit, kay daghan pagit kayo ang kinanglan sa support pagdating sa edukasyon. Of course, ang aton man nga mga passers, no? As per orientation kinasakuha, they are civil engineers, architects, and teachers who pass the board exam. Maybe I'll invite you sa office for gabay lang ang kapi-kapi karon dito sa Babaw. And of course, ang aton palaro athletes, no? Siguro nagapangayo ko sa dispensa together with the local school board, no? Nga maski pa paano unta during your palaro dito sa Cebu, no? Makatong kami ni treasurer na para ihatag ang 20,000 pesos nga allowance, but hindi siya na materialize is because of some procedures or processes diri sa aton nga locality. But anyway, ingon ngayon ako sa local school board, kahit mag 100 pa na o 50 na sa palaro, taga na to sila sa mga incentives, no?